Welcome to this video. I'm going to quickly and easily show you how to fix it when Rocket League is not launching. Okay, first of all, you want to open up the Epic Games launcher. Then you want to go to Library, and then you'll see Rocket League. Now, for me, I don't have it installed, but what you would do is hit these three dots, and then you would go to Properties. Once you click on Properties, you'll see an option there that says Verify Game Files. You want to click Verify Game Files, then close out the Epic Games launcher. Hit your search bar, type Epic Games Launcher, right click on it. You want to click on Open File Location, and you'll see Epic Games Launcher. You want to right click on it. You want to click on Show More Options, and then you want to click on to Properties. Once you've clicked onto Properties, go to Compatibility, and you want to select these settings. Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. You can select Windows 8. You want to click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Then you want to click on Apply, click on OK, and you should be good to go. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.